this one breathing exercise has helped me so much through so many different stressful situations. I can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned.
Oh shit! Woo!
What's up, guys? My name is Sam Becker, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that bell for notifications, where I put out content on anxiety hacks, how to look at negative situations in a more positive light, and just productivity hacks to help you live a more peaceful, happy life. So let's talk about this breathing exercise that has helped me through so much. This is something that I actually learned through my therapist a few years back when I first started seeing her for my sessions to treat my anxiety. And this technique has always stuck with me. It's never failed me, and it's always made me feel grounded, and it's always made me feel like I have enough oxygen in my lungs, and I'm focused on what I'm trying to do and trying to just get myself back together again, which is important when you're starting to feel like yourself stressed out and you start to feel yourself anxious. You tend to forget to stop and breathe. So I feel like this is going to help you just as much as it's helped me. So if you're excited about this technique, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So the exercise itself is called the box breathing technique. And at the time of filming this, we are currently going through the COVID-19 coronavirus quarantine. So it also helps me alleviate some stress and worry about this whole thing and all the anxiety that comes with the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. And for myself, I've caught myself starting to worry about how I'm breathing a lot more often. So this has really helped me kind of just ease back and re-ground myself. And it honestly doubles up as a little test for yourself to see whether your lungs are working the way they should, which is really important right now during all this, to make sure that you are safe and you can breathe. So it's very simple. So basically there's 4 steps to it. You breathe in, you hold, you breathe out, you hold. So what I like to do is start with a 4-second exercise, and then increase the times if I feel like I need a deeper breath. So starting with 4 seconds, 4 seconds in, hold, 4 seconds, breathe out, 4 seconds, hold, lungs empty, 4 seconds. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. I'm gonna have you close your eyes. I'm gonna do the counting for you, and just try this on your own. Okay, breathing in through your nose. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's do that again. So go ahead and rewind this video if you need to, and just embrace it. Get a nice deep breath. Hold. Exhale. And then hold again. And do that as many times as you need to. For me, I love the 8-second count. I feel like that's enough, to get some full lung capacity going. Your whole lungs are stretched, and that's my favorite one. I think 4 seconds is great, but 8 seconds is probably my favorite one. And you can do this as many times as you need to. I typically like to do this anywhere from 3 to 5 times minimum. And I'll even do this like in a hot shower with the steam going on, especially during this whole pandemic. I like to make sure that I have some good steam, hot air, sauna type of environment around me to really get the most out of this breathing exercise that I can. So give this a shot. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and share this with anyone you feel that might need to try it. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope it helps, and don't forget to stay safe, wash your hands, breathe. We're gonna be okay, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Thanks.